Got a sore, irritated stomach? Want foods that don't just soothe but actually help your stomach heal? Today we're exploring 4 powerful food pairings backed by scientific research that can repair the stomach lining, calm inflammation, and promote recovery. Pairing 1, probiotic yogurt or kefir plus prebiotic fiber, oats, banana. Probiotics restore good bacteria. Prebiotics feed them. Together they're called synbiotics. In fact, a 2015 review in Frontiers in Microbiology reported that synbiotics helped reduce gastrointestinal infections and improved mucosal healing in patients. That means combining yogurt or kefir with oats or banana could help strengthen your stomach lining and speed recovery. Pairing 2, turmeric, curcumin, plus black pepper, piperine. Turmeric contains curcumin, famous for its anti-inflammatory effects. But here's the catch: curcumin is absorbed poorly on its own. A landmark study published in Planta Medica found that adding piperine from black pepper increased curcumin absorption by 2,000% in humans. This means that sprinkling just a little black pepper with turmeric makes the stomach protective effects far more powerful. Pairing 3, collagen or bone broth plus vitamin C-rich fruit, orange kiwi. Your stomach lining is made of connective tissue. To repair it, your body needs collagen and vitamin C. Research in Nutrients Journal, 2022, highlights that vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Without it, the body can't properly rebuild tissues. So pairing a collagen-rich broth or peptide drink with vitamin C from fruits like oranges or kiwi may accelerate mucosal healing after stomach irritation or ulcer damage. Pairing 4, manuka honey plus ginger. Manuka honey isn't just sweet, it fights harmful bacteria. A study in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine showed manuka honey suppressed Helicobacter pylori, the bacteria behind most stomach ulcers. Ginger adds even more power. A review in Food and Function, 2019, reported ginger reduces inflammation and even helps protect gastric mucosa against ulcer formation. Together, honey and ginger create a soothing, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory pairing for stomach healing. Start small. Try 1 pairing a day. Avoid irritants like alcohol, fried foods, and too much coffee while healing. If you have H. pylori, pair these foods with proper medical treatment. Which food combo surprised you most? Tell me in the comments, and if you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more research-based nutrition tips. Remember, food supports healing, but persistent stomach pain always deserves medical advice.